All right, so here we're gonna go a little basil. I'm gonna put this into that special BHIS tomato dip or thingy. Fresh basil out in the garden. Beautiful, look at that.
Hashem's Shabbos.
Hello, my name is Yussi Weisz. Today, I want to prepare for you a new dip. We have been doing dips, Shabbos. Everybody's been dipping mayonnaise, tomato dip, jalapeno dip, jalapeno dip, this dip and olive dip. Today, I want to bring for you something new. And I'm going to call that the Baruch Hashem It's Shabbos dip. BHIS, like Beis Yaakov, Beis Little High School. No, BHIS, like Baruch Hashem, it's Shabbos. Here we go. Simple, 1, 2, 3. It's gonna be a warm dip. Here we go. We're gonna heat up our pot. Nice flame. Around a half a cup of olive oil. Once that's hot, I'm gonna add some garlic, tomatoes, salt and pepper, a little wine, squeeze a tomato paste. We're done. Keep that on the blech, keep that in the warmer. For Shabbos, Friday night, you bring that out. You have that on crispy challah. Mwah! Mamma mia. Okay, I think my oil is getting hot. I'm gonna add some garlic. I hear a little sizzle, which is okay. I don't wanna burn my garlic. Burnt garlic gets a little bitter. All I want is a little color at the edges. Okay, so before it burns, here we go. I'm gonna add some tomatoes. You hear that? Love it. Now, to make this special, you always wanna put something extra, that extra touch into your food, into that dip. A little bit of Baron Herzog. Baron Herzog. Another half a cup of that. I'm gonna add some salt and some black pepper. If you wanna add color, you can add some scallions, you can add some parsley, a little basil might do the trick. I'm gonna add just a little tiny squeeze of tomato paste. That's it, Zahu. Here goes a little basil. Frische Säure. Trust mich. What is it gonna be next level? Trust mich. I don't mind. This is gonna be one of those like, what's a nice tomato dip? It's around 15 minutes later. This looks beautiful. All the alcohol cooked out. How do you say cooked out in Yiddish, in English? Ausgekocht. Weiß nicht. Whatever. Tomatoes are getting nice and soft. I'm gonna shut the fire. This is done. To serve this on Shabbos, you have to do nothing but put this in a little pan on the blech, put it in your warmer, whatever it is, bring it out fresh Friday night together with your fish. There's a whole nother level of dip. This is the BHIS Shabbos dip. Beautiful. I like that. I'm just gonna give one taste just to make sure that it's up to par. Salt and pepper. Perfection. Let me show you how this works, okay? I'm gonna wash. I have some challah right here. Beauty. Right before you serve, this is another thing I want you to do, okay? I want you to take an extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit, right on top. There you go. Perfect. Now I'm gonna wash. No. Nee, melech. No. Obrigado, Adino, Elaine Vela, Goilo, maar mooi te leggen met hoe dat. De Nudep, de Baruch Hashem, Ah, Baruch Hashem, it's a Shabbos. That's the dip it is. Oh my gosh, got a little garlic. A little tomato, and that whole sauce thingy. Oh yeah, Eibishter. Just make sure you don't burn the top of your... It shouldn't be too hot. I could eat this all day. It's delicious. Yum. My name is Yussi Weisz, and I approve this dip. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful Shabbos.
Baruch Hashem, c'est Shabbos.
My name is Yussi Weisz, and I approve this message.
Do that again. You blocked the mic.
Oh, okay.
Wait, so like, can we move some of the...
I don't know if we should move it.
No, it'll look weird.
You see it on that.